How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th and subject looking around us, environmental studies. In that, in your workbook, chapter number 11, Sunita in a space. See the main one. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. See the number 1. How is the shape of the earth? Options are option A, it is round like a ball. B, it is round like a marble. C, it is round like an orange. And D, it is round like a plate. Your answer is option C, it is round like an orange. Now see the question number 2. What is the shape of the moon on a full moon day? Means Poonam. See the option A, oval. B, round like a plate. C, semicircular. D, round like a bangle. Now see, answer is option B, round like a plate. Now see the third one. Who or what give us heat and light? See the option A, the sun. B, the earth. C, the moon. And D, the stars. Answer is option A, the sun. Sun gives us heat and a light. Now see the number 4. Around what or whom does the earth revolve? Option A, the moon. B, the star. C, a satellite. And D, the sun. Answer is option D, the sun. The sun. Around what? Around sun the earth revolves. The earth revolves around the sun. Now see the question number 5th. What is the moon? Option A, a natural satellite. B, an artificial satellite. C, a planet. And D, a star. Moon is the natural satellite. Now see the question number 6. Due to which force of the earth does a ball thrown up from the surface of the earth always come down? See the option A, frictional force. B, gravitational force. C, muscular force. And D, magnetic force. Answer is option B, gravitational force. Now see the question number 7. How did Sunita Williams go into space? Option are A, an, in an aircraft. B, in an artificial satellite. C, in a spaceship. And D, in a rocket. Sunita Williams goes in a spaceship. Option C is your answer. Now see the 8th one. What is seen on the map of the world do demarcate countries? Option A, a wall. B, a fence. C, a trench. And D, a boundary. Answer is option D, a boundary. In the map, what is seen on the map? On the map, we can see a boundary of the world to demarcate countries. Okay, we see a boundary. Now see the main two. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate words or numbers. Now see the number 1. The blanks revolves around the sun. Answer is the earth revolves around the sun. Now see the number 2. The blanks revolves around the earth. Answer is the moon revolves around the sun. Here, see in the first one, earth revolves around the sun. Okay, and around the earth what revolves? Moon revolve. Okay, now see the third one. The blank's force is negligible on the moon. Which force is negligible on the moon? Gravitational force. Okay, on earth gravitational force is there, but on moon gravitational force is not there. Now see the number 4. Sunita Williams went blanks kilometer above the earth in the spaceship. How much kilometer? 360 kilometer. Now see the 5th one. Water comes down from mountains and does not go up due to the blank force of the earth. Which force? Gravitational force. Gravitational force is there on the earth, so water does not go up. See the 6th one. The blanks does not have its own light but still looks like bright? Moon does not have a own light. Okay. See the seventh one. Blanks can be seen twinkling in the sky at night. Answer is the stars. Stars are twinkling in the night. Now see the eighth one. Satellites that are put in outer space by man are known as blanks. That is the artificial satellites which are man-made, that are artificial satellite. Okay. Now see the next page. Main theme: put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and wrong in front of those that are false. See the number 1. The earth is a planet of the solar system. It's a true, right. Number 2. The earth revolves around the moon. Wrong. Moon revolves around the earth. Okay. So it's a wrong. False. Number 3. The sun is a kind of a star. Right. True. Number 4. Sunita Williams stayed for more than 6 months in the space. True. Right. See the number 5. Night start becoming bright from new moon day. It's a right. True. Number 6. The last day of darkness is known as the Puna. False. Wrong. Number 7. The atmosphere on the earth is favorable for human life. It's a right. True. Number 8. As soon as a meteor enters the earth's atmosphere, it's a burn. It's a true. Right. See the match the column main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see column A. See the column A. Number 1, the earth. 2, the sun. 3, the moon. And 4, the stars. Column B. Number 1, it is a satellite of the earth. Number 2, are seen twinkling at night. Number 3, are known as shooting star. Number 4 is a planet of the solar system. And number 5 is the star seen during day. Now the earth match with the 4 is a planet of the solar system. Okay. The sun is the answer is a match with the 5th one. Sun is also a star. Is the star seen during day? The one only star is there. It's a seen during day. It's a sun. Now see the 3rd one, the moon. The moon is a match with the number 1. It's a satellite of the earth. 4th one, stars. Stars match with the 2. Are seen twinkling at night. Stars are twinkling. So are seen twinkling at night. Stars match with the are seen twinkling at night. Now see the main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. See the question number 1. What is the earth? Answer is, the earth is a planet of the solar system on which life is possible. The earth is a planet of the solar system on which life is possible. See the question number 2. When does the moon rise during its waxing phase? Answer is, the moon will rise at 1840 hours on that day according to the calendar 9th February 2020. Okay. See the 3rd one. On which day is the moon not visible at all? Answer is, the moon is not all visible on no moon day, example on Amavas. See the question number 4. What do we get from the sun? Answer is, we get heat and light from the sun. See the question number 5. Around what does an artificial satellite revolve? Answer is, an artificial satellite revolves around the earth. See the question number 6. What can we see in the sky? Answer is, we can see the sun in the sky during the day. At night we can see the moon and the stars. A few planets also can be seen at night. See the question number 7. Who or what revolves around the earth? Answer is, the moon revolves round the earth. Question number 8. Name 2 American female astronauts who are originally from India. Answer is name of two American female astronauts who are originally from India are Sunita Williams and second one is Kalpana Chawla. See the question number 9. What are meteors? Answer is meteors are celestial bodies which are actually small piece of stones revolving around the suns. Meteors are celestial bodies which are actually small piece of a stone revolving around the sun. See the question number 10. Which is the satellite of the earth? अर्थ की सैटेलाइट क्या है? द मून इज द सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. इट्स अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. विथ whose light does the moon look bright? Answer is the moon looks bright due to sunlight which is reflected from its surface. See the question number 12. What does gravitational force mean? Answer is the earth attracts everything towards itself. The force of attraction is known as the gravitational force. The earth attraction is due to what? It's a gravitational force. The force of attraction is known as the gravitational force of the earth. Now see the question number 13. Why did Sunita Williams' hair stand in a space? Answer is there is no gravitational force in outer space. In outer space there is no gravitational force. Thus, due to absence of gravitational force, hair float in air. Due to absence of gravitational force, hair float. Therefore, Sunita's hair was standing. Now see main 14. If the earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall off? Okay, answer is we are constantly pulled towards the surface of the earth due to its gravitational force. So even though the earth is round like a globe, we do not fall. Okay, we do not fall even the earth is a circle in space. Okay, its shape is like an orange, but there is a gravitational force, so we cannot fall. Now see the 15th question. What else can you see on the globe? Answer is I can see various continents and countries, seas and oceans. Seas means oceans, the poles, latitudes and longitudes, etc. on the globe. Now we will see the next question on the next page in the next video. Main 6 we will see in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.